This message is being brought.
This text message has been initiated by National Alert Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireless participants in your area. This is only a test. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you've just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions.
This message is being broadcasted by the Department of Defense Unit. A paranormal anomaly has been detected across the United States. The anomaly has been detected in the state of Florida. These cities need to be shelter in place: Tampa, Miami, Palmetto, Sarasota, Key West, Miami Beach, and other local cities. Please shelter in place. This entity named Alex can travel at the speed of light over 500 million miles per hour. Please shelter immediately.